Morning, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Still up here at Lum's Pond. I think it's November the 9th or 10th. Who knows? I'm camping. but getting ready to pull out and go back home for a couple days. And there's a big rainstorm coming. I know a lot of you don't do this, so I'm going to show you a little check. You see stains inside on your walls and all that. It's because you don't do something very important. I proved it to you before. Let me see here. Right here, these, right? Those are your vents, your drainage vent, okay? Right here and here. Well, I've already poured water. I go through each window and pour. So I'm gonna put you on pause. All right, so basically, I'll take one of my white wine plastic glasses, right? And I'm gonna come over here, and then I'm gonna pour water right in this little tray where the window goes, okay? And I got thermal paint ones, and then look, see the water dripping out? It's coming out of them holes right there, folks. I know I'm upside down, but I'm trying to show you a point. Look at that. Just fast as I pour it in, it comes out. All these windows are controlled leaks. They got a leak because it's sitting in a channel. Look, once again, it's sitting in a channel right here. So here's the screen slide. Now I'm going to bring this forward. Watch right here. It's in a channel. It's a thermal pane, right? You see it's coming down that channel. So this gets water on it out here. This part, right? Oh, my fingers are in the way. I'm sorry. This part right here, the outer glass. And it goes right down into here. Okay? And then it drains. Well, I'm going to do that on every window. I know, you say, Jesus. I said, well, I don't have a lot of stain marks. Okay, I catch it before it becomes a problem. So, could it be preventive maintenance? Yes. Now watch. I'll show you this one over here. It did have a real light stain right here. Okay, I have a fabric and a foam behind that. So, I went and did some searching there and pulled it. I remember my grandson was helping me caulk some windows. Well, I take all the things off, blow them out, right, the covers I showed you. And let me see if I can find one. Hold on. So right here it is, okay? That's one of the covers that go outside. And it holds on by them little clips right there. So I took it off. And I didn't catch it. My grandson put caulking down in the holes. So I'm driving one day, I'm like, what the heck is that? I just checked all that. So I went out there and pulled it off. Lo and behold, he filled the hole. Hey, he's 10 years old, you know. He's learning. I told him about what he did. And he said, oh, sorry, Pop. But he learned something. Sometimes you learn it the hard way, right? This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics on preventive maintenance of, you can have single pane windows, slider windows, anything that slides. You can have thermal pane windows like me, but you have to clean that drain out, all right? And then you have to prove it works, all right? And depends what size window you got, like right here, right? There's only 2 vents on it outside. And this one, this size usually has 4. Same size there, 4. Same way it went in the bedroom and all. That was a quick video. Thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. What's the motto? You're right. Test, not guess. All right. We were testing, see if the damn windows leaked. Whoop. Sorry about that word. Anyway, safe travels. May your campfires burn bright till we meet again. You know where we're going to meet. Right here on this YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell for every time I put a new one out. And if it title says, hey, toe tickler circuit troubleshooting, and you don't have the circuit, some of you don't even know you have a toe tickler. I'm just being a little bit funny there. But some of you don't even know what you have in your RV, and you've owned them for a couple years. Shame on you. Anyway, how can I help you if you don't know where the stuff is? I don't remember all that stuff. I work on so many different RVs, I can't tell you. Where's the other place we're going to meet? Beautiful campgrounds. I met 16 members up here. Yeah. Some of them belong to the YouTube channel. Some of them belong to the Facebook page. Didn't even know. The YouTubers didn't know I had a Facebook. The Facebook don't even know I had a YouTube. And most of them didn't know I had a website where I do one-on-ones. So a few of them signed up. And I talked them through some stuff while they were here. And that's how you learn. I guide you step by step. You touch the stuff. You use your wrenches, your screwdrivers, your flat tips, your Phillips. Where else we going to meet? On the road. I see you coming the other way. I might be heading south. You're heading north. Honk, honk. I blow my horn. My wife just shakes head. Yeah, big old air horns going off. She says, man, don't you think somebody's like think you're going to run into them? At 60 mile an hour, it's over if I run into them. Anyway, where else are we going to meet? At the school and repair garage. You will learn how to do your whole RV. I'm going to go over everything. You're allowed to do personal videos of me, but you can't post them. That's all I ask for you, because they're yours. They're personal. I might say some words that a couple Navy guys, Army guys that had come through, we all cuss a little bit, so I don't want to do that. And some of you go, why don't you clean your act up? Here, why don't you follow me in the East-West German border and in the desert? There you go. Anyway, where else can we meet? Well, we covered it, right? YouTube, Facebook, my garage and school, on the road, the website where I do one-on-one, folks. I don't know how many more. Oh, I think I got a TikTok account now. My granddaughter said, Pop, you need a TikTok account. I'm like, I guess. So, and I'm doing short reels. Folks, just like you learning your RV, I learn stuff. Anything to reach out and help people. All right, thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Till we meet again.